Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is the second day of February 2020. This is your location to where you're going to get the most trusted source of news according to the price chart. And today is an update for Facebook. I mean, you guys can tell by this price chart that this particular stock has seen some massive movement to the upside. It hasn't really even moved to the downside since the initiation of this stock being traded on the stock exchange. If this is your first day watching our video or your first time, hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, hit that bell notification, because again, you're not going to get the simplistic form of price forecast without being confused anywhere else. So make sure you follow us as well as on our other social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, our own website, HueFinancial.com, in order to be ahead of the game. Because now the question is, for Facebook, is the market trying to put the brakes on it moving higher? That's the question that we're going to try to solve today on this video. But before I do, I want you all to see what our expectations were on our last video in Facebook, which was on the third day of January 2020. You guys can see that our expectations was for the market in Facebook to continue to see movement higher. And to conclude out the month of January, we came and hit our ultimate TP price right there around $218.38. 13.16% profit movement to the upside from our original forecast back in June of 2019. 13%. So let's go ahead and get rid of it. So since we are starting out a new month, February, we're going to start out looking at this long-term monthly price chart for Facebook, and you can tell that there is weakness present on the monthly time frame. Let me preface what I just said. Yes, Facebook is giving us some weakness, but not all that weak yet. Weekly time frame, you could all see right here that the market in Facebook is giving us some indications of market weakness here as well. The volume last week was very high comparative to what we saw the last couple of weeks. So definitely we had the market participants selling some of their stock in Facebook. No doubt about it. Let's take a look at it on the daily time frame real quick. And even the last couple of days, I would say that's Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of last week, the market in Facebook saw a massive movement to the downside. Could it be because of the situation of the coronavirus? Could it be because of the China-United States trade war? Could it be because Facebook is not going to launch their Libra cryptocurrency? Who knows and who really cares, because the price chart is where the market action and the news really lies. So the news is telling us from this price chart that Facebook is weak. Okay, so we're going to have to play that market based off what it is telling us. Market weakness is in place. So we are going to place a forecast in the market for Facebook with some movement to the downside. Okay. I do see a shallow area of support right here between $200 and maybe like $198. So keep that in mind as well too. But ultimately, we can still see the market in Facebook come all the way down to this ascending line, and we are still trending higher though. Okay, so yes, we are seeing weakness in the market in Facebook. Our TP price is going to be right there around 190. I would say like 193 would be our TP price. So $193. And that would give us about like a 4% profit margin on that particular forecast package. Okay, 4.5%. Okay, so that's our TP, $193 movement to the downside. And again, I'm just going to extend it to encompass most of this ascending line on this chart, but I can still see hitting about 190 as well too. So this is it. Simple to see, simple to understand. Everyone else is going to talk about what could be, what could happen. It's possible, if, ands, or buts. It might, maybe. Don't listen to those type of individuals, because they're simply causing you more confusion. And if their chart look anything more complicated than our price chart, you need to keep your eyes open on that as well. Make sure you always maintain that profitability. And as always, keep it 100.